How to delete TikTok account without password. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you delete your TikTok account without password. So let's get started. On this process, at first, after you open the TikTok application and from the profile section, tap on three line from your setting and privacy, and after you come on the account section and trying to deactivate or delete your account, you'll require a password to delete your account. So if you have forgotten your TikTok account password, you'll have to just back from there and from the account section again, tap on the option password. Alright, so from the password section, after you tap on that, you'll be able to find a verification code that you'll receive on your email ID. So from your, you'll have to just confirm with that verification code. Alright, so after you enter the verification code, you'll be able to create a new password for your TikTok ID, and from your create a new password for your TikTok account. And after you create a new password, you'll have to just tap on the option next. Okay, so after you update the password on TikTok, you'll have to just tap on the option deactivate or delete account, and after you tap on that, tap on delete account permanently. From here, you can choose any one this option, like you can also skip it, and after you go with the options and check this option and tap on continue. Again, continue. From here, you can easily enter your password that you have updated from your TikTok ID, or you can also verify with your TikTok verification code that you will receive on Gmail. So from this way, you can easily delete your TikTok account without password. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.